All right, so we're doing the week 2 quiz for lesson 3. We've already opened the SPSS file. The following information in the file to answer the next 3 questions. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of the patient's body or on the wrong patient. Use the wrong site, wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. Medical committee is trying to eliminate these errors by difficult reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Phillips de Hell et al. Conducted a study on these mistakes. Okay, so the data is there. It says here also that the data is also located on the data page of the online text. I don't know where that's at, but it says represent the amount of US dollars hospitals been required to pay in wrong side, wrong patient lawsuits. So I am going back. I went to the I'm going through the instructions of how to calculate these things on SPSS. I know there's a way to do it, but I don't remember what it is.
I believe under Analyze, you go to Descriptive Statistics, and then you go to Explore, and then and then select. Let's see. Find the mean
this
amount.
Is asking. These are for wrong site lawsuits, so we need to use the wrong site.
Yes. Okay. So add that in.
Into which?
Okay. So when you go to Analyze, go to Descriptive Statistics, and then once you do Explore, it shows the box.
Yep.
And then once you click on it, you click the arrow to the right.
To put it in dependent list, factor list, or label cases by?
Oh, sorry, into dependent list.
Okay.
And then you click OK. And then.
Yep. Oh, well, there we go.
And then there's the mean. So the mean is 80041.24.
Yep.
So that's 80041.24.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Save that answer.
Yeah, it basically does everything for you.
Yeah, you just have to use the program. It does all the math.
Let me make sure I got this right. 80041.24.
Yep.
Correct.
Okay.
And now we find the median, which is also here, because this is still wrong site. So that one is 682.00.
Sorry, can you repeat that? It kind of broke up.
Yeah, 68552.00.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. Let me try to. I don't think it's on this one. Let me try to remember. Is it this one? Let me just playing for a second.
Yep.
There's a way to get it. Let me. I guess I'll go back to the textbook.
Yeah.
Come here. Tony. Or Rudy, come here. Look at me.
Okay. Back to the textbook.
That running jokes.
If someone could find the remote, we could change it.
Oh. That one we're waiting for. Oh, we're very diligent, man. Oh, I saw somebody. I like to do. Yeah, nobody likes to.
I don't like
That's awesome. I
Huh.
like to.
I'm gonna look at something.
Alright.
Oh, so the standard deviation is there on the chart we had uploaded.
Oh, yeah.
I just
Yeah,
realized.
I just saw it too.
It's like,
Okay.
oh, well, okay.
Okay. So that one is 71403. Oh,
And
the
then-
nearest dollar. The nearest dollar. So
So,
71404.
yes, that's correct.
71404.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this one we don't need SPSS for. This one's just having us calculate it by hand. So this one is hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival time in months. So we have to calculate the mean and the median of their survival time.
Okay.
Yes, Madison. Madison, yes.
Okay. So the mean I got was 7. Does that match everybody's?
Let me put it in really quick.
Hey, where'd you find that?
Yeah, I have 7 also.
Okay.
On the ottoman.
On the other?
Yes.
Cool.
Like, yeah.
Okay. So 7 is the mean.
Okay, Bob, it was missing. You look everywhere.
Oh, okay.
And then the median, let's see. So,
I grabbed it. Right there. We get lost again.
need a paper. Okay.
Listen, maybe it's okay. Like, yeah, it's upstairs.
So the median is 4.
Yeah, that's what I got.
The median?
Yeah, because if it's an even number of values, you just take the middle 2 and you find the average between them. So the middle value is 3 and 5. So
Oh, I was using the wrong numbers. I was like, what?
no.
Sorry. Sorry, I was doing 5 and 19. I wasn't obviously paying attention. Yes, 4 would be correct.
Okay,
Sorry, guys.
cool. If you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Okay. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Give the number that will be entered in the space labeled A in the table above.
Okay. Okay.
This is the part I need to remember because.
So for column 2, you just take the first column, take that number, and you subtract the mean, which we
Okay.
discovered the mean was 7. So just take all those numbers and subtract 7 to fill in the table.
Okay, so that one would be 12 for column A.
Yes.
Okay, and then for what? Give the number you would be entering in space column B. Square deviations. Okay, so x minus that squared. So 1 minus 4 is -3 squared is 9.
Positive 9, right?
Yep, positive 9 because it's a negative times a negative.
Oh, yep.
What is the standard deviation of the survival time? Give your answer in months rounded to the nearest 10.
There's I have that part open for calculating the standard deviation by hand. Where did that go?
Wait, just to clarify, what did you guys put for the answer to question 9?
9.
I put 9. Because it's x minus the value squared.
Yeah. Well,
And
so
8 was 12, right?
Ellie, can you not
What?
do that on the floor?
8 was 12, right?
8 was 12.
Okay.
yeah, 8 was 12. So, okay, so you take 1, subtract the mean, which is 7, which gives you -6, and then you square that.
No, you take 1, you subtract the mean, or then it's the median, I thought.
No,
Oh, it's from the
yeah, so you just take those same numbers we just created.
I subtracted the median, not the mean. Okay, so yeah, 1 minus 7, so it'd be 36, not.
Okay.
So 9 is 36.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Well, it's a good thing. I'm glad you noticed that.
When I was doing it, I was like, oh, my math. I didn't know if it was my brain.
Oh, I just can't read English. Your math is good. Okay.
Okay. Standard deviation.
I'm looking at I'm just trying to find the steps for calculating the standard deviation.
Yeah, let's see. I gotta find that too, because I did it for the prep, and it took a long time, and I don't remember.
Yeah, that's the thing. I did it too, and I found myself just using the instructions.
Mm-hmm. Me too. Okay. Okay.
Sophie, what are you doing?
Yeah, where?
Ellie, don't stand up, please.
So what we do is we fill in the rest of the chart, if I remember correctly.
Mm-hmm.
You take the
Madison, can you hand me that now?
so you take the squared deviations of the mean.
No, you.
So we have to finish column 3
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
ask you.
for the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So 5 minus, and we said that
Yeah.
it was, the mean was 7. Okay. So 5 minus 7 is -2. So that means 4.
Hey, what is that? What is that?
And then the next number is, and this is from column 2, that's 12, and then you square that. So that's 144.
Mm-hmm. Then we already calculated that next one, and that one was 36.
Right.
And then the last one, 3 minus 7, so that's 4, and we get 16 when we square it.
Yes.
So we take that number,
Super fun.
we get the mean, so we get to take the average of those 4 numbers. So it's 200, divide that by 4, that's 50, and then we take the square root of that number. So whatever the square root of 50 is our answer.
Okay. Okay. And then did it say what decimal point? Let me see how far. To the nearest tenth. Okay, so 7.1.
7.1.
Okay.
No, we're having, no,
So just to make sure, we just fill in the rest of that third column. We find the mean of those numbers, and then you
Yep.
square root it.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
What?
Sounds good.
Okay. For the next 3 questions, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit costs.
Oh, okay.
That's back to the SPSS.
Yes. Let's see.
You got for tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 5-number summary.
Which is, let's see.
Ellie, did you get into those? Then why do you have one?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, so you can't keep laying everything on everybody else.
Gotta find my homework.
The 5-number summary, I think the first number is the minimum value. So whatever the lowest variable is.
You're right. So the 5-number is the minimum,
So I was following you,
first
right?
quartile, second quartile, or the median. Here, sorry, we'll just start with the minimum. So the minimum is,
So yeah, we have to go back to the wrong patient lawsuit now. So we're back in SPO.
Okay, and then you didn't do it
Yes.
with her? Oh, yeah, okay then. You're in trouble again.
oh wait, and we have to
That's your
do,
more
sorry,
trouble.
I've done the wrong thing. We have to do
Yeah,
the
we
wrong
have to-
patient, not wrong site. I think I had the wrong one.
Yep, we have to do the wrong patient one. So we gotta go analyze again.
Okay,
Olive.
okay.
I got my burgers, I don't know what people.
Okay, somehow I've already forgotten how to do this.
Go to analyze, descriptive, okay, then go to explore,
Okay, yep. So
And
now
then
we're
you-
in wrong. Do we have to take wrong site out of the thing there?
yeah, just so it's not confusing, you don't look at the wrong
Yeah.
chart, I would take it out.
Okay, wrong patient. Yeah.
Okay,
The
okay,
minimum is 0.
yes. So then, let's see, I'm trying to remember,
Hey, Madison. No,
let's see.
Don't touch the TV.
There was a way to get all of those statistics for the first quartile, second, third.
Yeah.
Let me see. I think,
Um,
aha, okay, so go to analyze, go to descriptive statistics, and then go to frequencies. That's the
Okay.
first option. Okay, and then under wrong site, there's the button on the right that says statistics. Click on that, and then click on percentiles and add each percentile, which would be 25, add that.
so we can do, because the 5 numbers for the summary are, because it has me, I can check a box for the quartiles. I already checked the box for the minimum and maximum. And the median. I think that's the only other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, so
Yep.
continue and hit OK. And that should,
Okay.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
cool. So
So we're looking for the first number.
the first number was 0.
Okay.
And then the first quartile is, and Brian, you tell me if you got this too,
Other than that,
29,379.
Yep, that's what I have too.
Okay.
Is that the second number or is that just in the quartile?
That's the second number.
Yes, that's
Okay, can
that's
you
the-
repeat that?
29,379.
Do they want us using, they don't want us using like commas, right?
I've just been typing them in. I haven't been using commas.
Okay.
Hey, there he is.
Sorry, guys. You work for CPS.
Oh, you're good.
I just got home from work.
Nobody wants a hamburger.
Yeah. Well, we can
So we're
stagger it.
working on the fourth number, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You have SPSS, right, Trevor?
What's that?
Do you have the software that we need for the class? Do you have that?
No, I've ordered it, but it hasn't arrived yet.
Okay. Well, that's kind of what we're working off of for this quiz right now. Yeah, a good amount of the quiz is on there. I just
One day at a time. Well, they got nitrous dropping the ball and getting stuck in the racks. And cart in the middle of the floor, so.
Do you guys hear that back noise?
yeah, there's quite a bit of background noise. I don't know which one it's.
I'm certain that it's me. Let me mute my mic, and if I need to talk, I'll unmute it. There's my kids and my niece and nephew. My sister-in-law's having a baby today, so
Gotcha.
I'll mute it.
Okay. Okay, so for the software, that's what we're working off of for this quiz. Once you open the quiz, it gives you a file that opens in SPSS. So yeah, kind of we need it for this quiz already. We've gone through it.
I will need that software to do this, basically.
Yeah, for the quiz you will. We've gone through it, and there's some parts that are hand calculations, but a lot of it, I'd say probably 2/3 of it has been going into SPSS and just getting like standard deviations, 5-number summary. That's where we're working on right now. We're on the last couple of, not the last couple of questions, but we're a good way through. We can get you back up to speed because, I mean, you don't have the software yet, so it's not really, it's in the mail, like you said. So we can go from there. We can go through it, and yeah, I think we understand that it's a trickier situation for you.
Well,
And you're not the only one
that.
you're not the only one in the group that's having this issue, so it's fine. So yeah, do you have the quiz open?
Yes.
Okay. So we've gone through, obviously the first couple of questions you go ahead and answer on your own. There's summaries in the readings for how to calculate the mean, median, and mode for the data sets that they give us and for the file here. So for question 3, the answer that Megan and I got when we went through it was 80,000. Wait, no. Let me make sure I have that right, because I might have typed an extra 0. I just realized that. How many zeros do you guys have for the question 3?
80041.24.
Okay, yeah. So 80,041.24.
Is this homework?
Are you in the group?
The homework quiz?
No, you're in the homework quiz is an individual one. We're doing the group meeting quiz.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, let me give this
Yeah.
another shot.
Yep. McKenna, I need to grab something. Do you mind getting Trevor up to speed on the first few questions in the quiz?
Oh, no, that's fine.
Thanks.
Okay, I am almost there.
Okay, let me know when you're ready and I'll start shooting out the answers for you.
Okay, group meeting quiz.
Are you on there?
Wait, that one's finished.
We're in lesson 3.
Okay, so we're doing next week's Tuesday. Is that right?
No, we're doing lesson 3's quiz, group quiz. It's in week 2.
Oh, got you. Okay.
Did you not want anything?
Did you get me cream cheese wontons?
Okay. Okay, I am there on number 3.
Okay, so number 3 is 80041.24.
Okay.
And then number 4, question 4 is 68552.00.
Okay.
And then question 5 is 71404.
Okay.
Question 6 is 7. Question 7 is 4.
Okay.
Question 8 is 12. Question 9 is 36. Question 10 is 7.1.
Wow, you guys really got up there.
Yeah, and then question 11 is 0. And question 12 is 29379.
Okay.
And
we're
we're
back.
on 13.
Everyone is. So we used SPSS to give us the 5-number summary. Megan and I just went through that. So the 4th number in the 5-number summary is minimum. We got the first quad. The median is the next number. So where did that
So Brian, we're on 13, right?
Yeah, we're on 13.
So it's actually asking for the 4th number, which is
Oh, it
the
skipped
third,
that. Okay.
the 3rd quartile. Yeah, it did skip it.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't. I just read it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So the 3rd quartile is 124.
Yes.
Sorry, there's talking. Can you repeat the number 13?
It's 124513. Okay, this one I think we can just use this chart, so we shouldn't need SPSS for this one.
Hey, Brian.
Redbox. Yeah.
Brian.
What's up?
Sorry, my computer connection broke up. Can you repeat 13 again?
Yeah, sorry. It's 124513.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, for some reason, every time
you're
you
good.
would say the 3rd number, it'd like break up or something like that.
Gotcha. This chart, and it's giving us the quartiles, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Study was done. Question 14 is asking what is the 3rd quartile of the red box decision times. So there's a thing in the textbook where that go.
So the order of the chart would be the very small, tiny number. The tiniest line is the minimum, and then the next line, which is right above it, at about 50. That's the 1st quartile. The middle is the 2nd, and then the 3rd one
is the
right
top of
above
the green box.
Or
yes.
Oh, okay.
So then approximately.
Oh, minimum.
Yeah.
So the 3rd quartile would be.
The 3rd
About
quartile is the top of the green box.
Yeah.
It would be about
so it's like 190
or 80.
Yeah, I would say like
180.
180.
Okay. Going with
And then what is the longest observed time of the red box customers in this study? Give an estimated number in seconds.
That's about 710 seconds, 720 seconds. Yeah. It's the top little line up there.
Yeah, I would say 720.
Sure. So we agreed 180 was the third, and
Yep.
then 720. Is that right?
Yes. What is the... Sorry, guys.
Yeah, right. Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean? I think because you can get the median from it.
I
Go to
think
the
that
middle of the line.
I'm pretty sure that's a trick question. It can't be determined just on the plot because it
Yeah,
only is
no, it
showing the
can't.
median.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Do you want me to submit today, or does someone else want to?
Here, you did it. I can do it. You did it last time.
Okay.
Okay. It's possible that some of these won't tell us if they're right because we had to write them in, but I'll submit it. We'll see what
They'll
happens.
tell us if they're correct or not.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
usually still. I hope there's a range for those last couple that we did.
There is. That's why it says like give an estimate. I remember that from when I took it before. As long as you get it in like a certain range, then it gives it to you.
Cool. All right. So did you submit yours, Megan?
Yes. So question 10 we got incorrect, and question 12 and 13. Maybe I marked them wrong. Hold on. Okay. Let me tell you again. Question 10,
Yeah.
and then question 12,
Okay.
and then question 13.
So for 10, did you get 7.1?
Yes, that was my
Yeah.
answer.
That's what we all put in.
So maybe it's just 7?
No,
Well-
because let's make sure we did the right thing. Hold on. I'm just going to close out the charts and we'll just put it through.
Here.
So analyze, distributive statistics.
Hey guys, I actually have to go.
You put your important
So-
papers together because we're gonna eat.
I'm just gonna submit mine.
Okay.
I need you to do it now.
And yeah, I'll have to just take those
Grab your important
3
papers
is
and
wrong,
papers,
just
okay?
because I gotta get going, otherwise I'm gonna be late.
Okay.
All right.
So same time Tuesday.
Yep. 8 o'clock.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Bye, McKenna.
Bye.
See you, McKenna. Okay. So I'm gonna put analyze statistics. Because it's asking for the
What we
so we got the standard deviation wrong. That's what it said for that one.
What? And I don't even know if I'm remembering the right thing, but you're supposed to have like n minus 1 something. Is that standard deviation or is that something else?
I thought it was the. Let me make sure. Let me go back to the part in the textbook.
Okay, I'll just look.
Did you guys have to order this program or did you download it? Because I tried multiple times to download it.
There was a link on the school's page, and I just went to the website that had it. I purchased a 6-month rental for $49, and I downloaded it right there.
Yeah, I downloaded it as well.
Mm-hmm.
It did take a long time. I had to try to download like by the 3rd time it finally worked, but it took a long time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna read through the standard deviation thing, but I'm gonna mute my mic, but I can still hear you. It's loud.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so you can probably help us out with question 8, Trevor, just because it it doesn't need SPSS to do it. Oh, we were given a chart beforehand. It's asking you to compute the variance by hand following the table, and then use the table to answer the next 3 questions. So we were doing number 10, which is when we calculate the standard deviation. So we're just going in trying to calculate that. Are we using the yeah, because I'm pretty sure, at least I was pretty sure that was right. Because we have the mean. It says that we got the number for the mean right, Megan? Calculate the was the mean one of the questions that we were asked?
I'll check it. I'll look at my quiz and see. Sorry, I was reading the thing. One sec, I'll look. Okay.
Question 6. So if we got questions,
yeah.
then
It did
we
ask
have
us for
room.
yeah. We do have the mean correct, and all the other numbers that worked with the mean, like subtracting it off of the integers, all of those are correct. It's just the standard deviation is wrong. So
yeah, I'm trying to figure out where we went wrong there, because 5 minus 7 is -2. Square that, you get 4. Then 19. Square that, you get 144. I'm just going to calculate this again because I can't really think of anything else to do. Squared is 36. And 3 minus 7 is -4. Square that, you get 16. So you take the mean of those squared ones, and you take the square root of that. So I'll calculate it again. I don't know how to.
here, I think, so I'm reading through, not even the textbook, I just Googled it, and I'm reading through the way they explain it. And let me just read through it for like another minute or two, and because I think we might be missing a step, but I don't remember it from the textbook. I mean, I'm sure it's there.
Yeah.
I don't remember. So I'm going to read through that, but I got to mute again because it's a zoo.
Sounds good.
Well, it's showing that we did all the steps right. Like so we found the mean, you took the number, subtracted the mean, then find the mean of all those numbers, and then square root it, which we've done. So I don't really know what's happening there.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Because all the other numbers we've calculated are correct. So we know like the mean is correct and all the other numbers are right. So
yeah, exactly. That's weird. In months, rounded to the nearest tenth. Yeah, because the answer, the square root of 50 is 7.07. So if you round it to the nearest tenth, it would be 7.1.
Yeah. I wonder if it's a rounding error, possibly.
I don't know. I'm just going to keep it like that. Maybe I'll email the teacher, or maybe she'll look at it. I have no idea. What was the other one we got wrong?
We also got number 10. Let's see what that says. Okay, number
10 is the, yeah.
Oh, 10 is standard deviation, sorry. So number 12. So what's the second number in the 5-number summary?
And what was the first quartile? I looked up what the 5 numbers in the 5 number summary were. It was right there in the textbook.
Yeah. Second number.
But what's the other one we got wrong in the quiz? Because maybe our quartiles are just off.
I don't know, because we both calculated it and got the same answer. So, and it's through SPSS, so I don't know how there would be an error necessarily. And it's, let me make sure. Maybe
I think we were doing the
we're
wrong
supposed to go-
site.
Oh,
I'm gonna
it
put
says
in-
right above it, it
I
says
think-
for wrong patient. Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
So we just did the wrong data set. That's all it was.
Yes. Okay. Because
So
they
wrong
had a
patient.
switch from patient to site. Now we're back to patient, but no. Okay. So number 12, let's see.
Number 12, this is a very
SPSS.
different number. So we're doing the first quartile. That's the second number in the summary.
Yes.
That is 3,900.
Oh,
No, we're gonna eat now.
Yeah, it's a very different number.
yeah. Glad we found that. Okay.
Nobody's going outside.
And then you said 13, so we're looking for the fourth number, so that's the third quartile.
Yes, that's correct.
So it's
Sorry, let
50, 436.50.
Yes. I gotta mute mine, sorry.
No, you're good. Okay, so Megan? Is that all the ones we needed to correct?
Yes, so 10, 12, and 13. Those were it. Everything else was correct.
Okay, I might email the teacher about 10 just because, I mean, we went through the whole process and nothing happened. So I'm going to go ahead and submit mine with the 1 incorrect. And yeah, mine says 17 out of 18, but cool. All right, well, I guess we'll do this again next Tuesday. I'll go ahead and throw the link up on there. And I'll put it on the discussion board. Sound good?
Sounds great. Good work.
All right, great. All right, take care. See you guys on Tuesday.
Yep. We'll see you later.
Yep, take care. Bye.
Oh, I see.